How to log in or sign in to Bitstamp. If you wish to log in or sign in to Bitstamp, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is launch the Bitstamp application, and this is the type of interface you will see. Now here you can see create account, so for those users who want to create a new account you can select that, but if you've already created an account and would just like to sign in, you can tap on the option that says sign in from here. Then when you tap on it, it will ask you to go ahead and then basically enter the email address associated with your Bitstamp account. Then after that you can type in your password, then tap on login to log in. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot your password button right there. It will take you to the page where you can verify a couple of details, and your Bitstamp account password will also be successfully created or verified. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.